Hi, decided to do another video. I kind of like doing a vlog, VLOG. Anyway, I'm a fashion design student, and we are almost finished with our semester, and I've been doing somewhat of a poor job concentrating on constructing my jacket. We have to do a jacket for my advanced construction class. I have been able to cut out like my pattern pieces, and I'm slowly putting them together. Other than that, like as far as school is concerned, there's really like not much else to report. I've been sick for the past couple of weeks. I'm pretty sure I had the stomach flu, and the stomach flu is not like a flu, it's not like influenza. It's actually like a virus or a bacteria that you get from eating something that's not really agreeable, and so it just makes you sick. And I've just been like recovering from that. My mom was really nice. She came over and she made me some soup out of the blue. And she drove like 30 miles to come make me soup one night. So that was really nice. Let's see. I haven't really like done anything except do schoolwork and do a lot of sewing, and just trying to recover from the stomach flu. Well, my cat is here with me. Let's see. Is he here? Well, my cat had been feeling pretty strange lately. He's been acting really strange. He's been running around and like whizzing. He's just been like whizzing around. But I think it's because like he knows that it's winter, and he's been eating a lot more, and he's getting fluffier and shedding a lot too. That's because he's long hair. I don't know what else to say.